Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to download and install NetBeans latest version on your computer. For that we have to search for the NetBeans download in the Google, and you can see the first result, Apache NetBeans releases. Okay, click there, and here you can see the latest available version. Okay, NetBeans 15 released August 31 2022. Okay, so click on the download options here. Now it will go to this website, and here you can see the operating system that you want to download. Okay, you can download it for Mac and you can download it for Windows. Okay, so I will download here for the Windows version. Click here, the Windows x64.exe. Now it will open this website. Here you can use the first link. Okay, click on this link. Now it will start download. You can see here it's around 434.90 MB now. Okay, download this one. It will take some time to download. Your download may be appear on the left side bottom or right side top, depending upon your browser that you are using. Okay, here I am using download manager, that's why this one opened in this window. Now the download is completed. Okay, now I will minimize this website and open this folder. You can see the downloaded file here. Here download JDK, download Oracle, Java Oracle. Okay, click here. Here you can download the latest version. Okay, Java 19 is the latest. Java SE Development Kit 19. Okay, so download the one designed for Windows. Okay, select this one, Windows, and download the installer. I will download the installer one. .158 MB, this one around. You can download any Java which is greater than Java 8. Okay, JDK 19 is downloaded. So open this folder. Here you can see the JDK 19 Windows x64. First install this JDK file. Simple installation. Click next always. There is no any customization needed. Now Java installation is completed. Close. And now you can install this NetBeans. Run as administrator. Now just click on the next, accept the license agreement. You can see it will automatically detect the JDK path. If there is any problem on this path, if the JDK file is not available here, it will come some error and NetBeans will not work properly. Okay, click on next again. If you need to update the NetBeans automatically, you can use this option, install. Now the installation is successfully completed. Click on the finish button. Now let us check the application. Now I will open it. You can see the application NetBeans is opening without any errors, and you can do your projects on these applications. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel.